kasi ako tumutugtog sa harap ng maraming tao. Sa kwarto lang.
We love you, Tony!
Everything that you see here on stage is hi-fi. All the LED lights, the big stage, the mosh pit. And everything's just high-tech to serve all of you. But you know, I want to bring a bit of my bedroom tonight, and because this is how I look like when I'm alone in my room and when I just have this keyboard and I play the piano by myself. Sabi ko, patayin yung lahat ng ilaw para hindi ko sila makita. Para kunwari ako lang mag-isa. This is the first time I'm actually doing this. I want to play with you an original song that I wrote. I wrote this song sa kalagitnaan po ng shooting namin ng Starting Over Again. This is from Jeannie's perspective and what she was going through and feeling at the time when we were doing the movie. Sa lahat ng mga umasa, sa lahat ng pinaasa, at sa lahat ng hanggang ngayon umaasa. Tama na. Maawa ka na sa sarili mo. Move on na tayo, ha? Kasama ka, bawat sulyap at titig, katumasay lang.